So, are you that girl? Who's been mindlessly scrolling brain rot reels, and you get that sickening realization, you have to show your face at school tomorrow. And your current vibe is more messy bun and hoodie than main character energy. But what if I told you, we have 24 hours to change the entire game? What if I told you that by this time tomorrow, your crush is gonna do a double take and your friends are gonna be like, wait, what's different about her? Are you ready? Let's glow. Step 1. The night Spa-cial. Okay, baby girl, before we fix your face, we fix your energy. 1. Reset your space. Clean your table. Fold your clothes. Change your bedsheet. I swear, when your space feels fresh, your mind unclogs instantly, and you start glowing from the inside out. 2. Face care is ritual, not routine. Double cleanse your face with a foaming cleanser. Then glide an ice cube over your face for 60 seconds. You can freeze rose water or cucumber water for that extra glow. It will give your skin the glassy finish next morning. 3. Hair care, the It Girl Glow way. Mix 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel plus 1 tablespoon coconut oil. Apply it only to your hair ends, not the scalp. It seals split ends and gives that soft, fresh haircut shine by morning. 4. Pillow perfume trick. Spray a light mist or body spray on your pillow before bed. It sounds small, but waking up surrounded by your signature scent? That's main character behavior. And please, don't scroll till 2 a.m. Plug your phone across the room. Sleep with calm music. You don't need the world right now, you need rest. Rest is the highest form of self-care. Step 2. Morning glow. Okay, baby girl, rise and shine. This is where the magic happens. You've got one morning to turn your vibe around. 1. Don't rush. The girls who glow aren't the ones who wake up panicking. They move slow. They sip water slowly. They pick outfits calmly. Slow mornings are a luxury, and you deserve that. 2. Use cold spoons. Put 2 metal spoons in the fridge the night before. In the morning, place them under your eyes for 30 seconds. It depuffs, wakes you up, and honestly makes you look like you got 10 hours of sleep even if you don't. 3. The 3-step skincare glow formula. Toner. Use rose water if you want that pinky glow. Lightweight moisturizer. And sunscreen, which is of-course non-negotiable. 4. Glow water. Add mint, lemon, or cucumber slices into your water bottle. It hydrates and gives your skin that glassy finish by lunch break. 5. Styling yourself. If you've got a uniform, then make sure to iron it the night before. Also clean your shoes, cause remember, good shoes take you to good places. In jewelry, wear tiny hoops or studs. For layering, mix a body lotion with a tiny spray of your perfume. Apply that on your wrists and neck. The scent lasts all day, and people will ask what perfume you're wearing. Step 3. Vibe glow, the energy makeover. Here's the part everyone skips, but it's the secret sauce to glowing up in just 24 hours. 1. The mirror trick. Stand in front of your mirror and say, I'm calm. I'm confident. I'm glowing already. You're setting your frequency for the day. 2. Gratitude glow. Think of 3 things you're grateful for while brushing your hair. It relaxes your face muscles, and that calmness is literal glow. 3. Smile therapy. Smile at yourself for 10 seconds. Sounds silly? Try it. Your brain releases serotonin. Instant mood lift, instant glow. 4. Posture power. Every time you walk into a room, straighten your back and relax your shoulders. It's quiet confidence, and people feel that energy. Step 4. At school glow. Now you're at school, and this is where your glow up becomes effortless. 1. Smile when you walk in. It makes people feel safe around you, and confident people are always magnetic. 2. Compliment one person genuinely. You'll instantly stand out because kindness is the prettiest glow. 3. Don't chase validation. You're not glowing up for anyone else. You're glowing because you decided to. Step 5. The It Girl Glow Code. This is your reminder. The glow up isn't about looking perfect. It's about feeling expensive from the inside. Anyone can look good on Instagram, but not everyone can walk with peace, softness, and quiet confidence. That's what makes you the It Girl. So stop saying, I'll start next week. Start tonight. Glow Up isn't a future version of you. It's you right now, choosing to care. And that's a wrap. If you're glowing already, drop a comment saying, "I'm in my it girl era," so I know you made it to the end. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join the Glow Club because this is just the start, baby girls. Remember, you don't need to become someone else to glow. You just need to remember who you are. Your 24 hours start now.